Hello guys, so welcome to another video of this platform. Now in this video I'm actually going to be talking about another job board that you can use that is basically reliable to find the job of your choice. So the platform that we're going to be reviewing is called Dynamite Jobs, and basically I've registered on Dynamite for a very long time. Alright, so this platform basically works best if you are from the US, Europe, and other all these countries, because you will get jobs from that part of the world. So as I've said, I've used the Dynamite for a very long time. So when you register, you have to put the skills that you have, right? Something that you're actually good at, whether it's designing or consulting, writing, things like that. So you must fill out the profile so that at least you get the jobs that you can do, right? So it is very, very important. As I've said, you do have a lot of jobs, and you can basically save them on the filter. You can filter them by the location if you want to be shown jobs in maybe the USA only, Canada only, Europe only. You can tick all these boxes, and jobs from those places will be recommended to you. So it is basically the same as other platforms out there. It's just the job board, right? And you can actually find some good work right here, good work opportunities, and some companies that actually also employ online. So yeah, this is another job board that I use from time to time to kind of find some online platform that are hiring and things of that nature. Dynamite Jobs is basically a legit job board, and it scores about 61.1 on a scam detector, and it has been providing these jobs for a very long time. So guys, that's basically all about Dynamite Jobs. There isn't much I can say, and if it's something that you are interested in searching for jobs, maybe this particular one might work for you. So again, thank you for watching this video, and until then, see you on the next one.
Business plans, company profiles, letterheads, resumes, and proposals. All these are very important in setting up your business and yourself for success. Hi, my name is Koliambez, and I'm a business writer, designer, and consultant. I specialize in crafting professional business documents and also offering consultancy services for different businesses across industries. The documents are well written, well researched, and professionally designed to suit each and every business needs. Now, get ready to stand out from competition and get your documents done today. You can reach out to me using the provided details, and I will get back to you as soon as possible.